Hello everyone. My name is Farooq Ahmed, and today I am excited to present my project called React Tooltip. This project mainly focuses on creating interactive tooltips that appear when hovering over a button. So let's dive into the code and understand how it works. So in this code, we have a component in under my SRC directory app.js. So here this program serves as a main container for our tooltip application. So the component imports first imports the necessary dependencies and defines the initial state including the tooltip position and hovering state. So to begin with, let me explain handle click function. So this function is responsible for uh, updating the tooltip position based on the button click. So uh, we have a position buttons for top, left, and bottom. So right and bottom. So when a button is clicked, the handle click function is triggered and updating in the state with the corresponding position. So next we have handle mouse enter and handle mouse leave functions. These functions manage the hovering state of the tooltip. So when the mouse enters the hover button, the handle mouse enter function sets the hovering states to true. So indicating so it indicates that the tooltip should be displayed. Conversely, when the handle mouse leave function sets the hovering state to false, so it hide the tooltip. So moving on to the this render method. So we define the structure of our component. So we have the positions button, the hover button, and the tooltip component. So the position buttons are rendered with on-click event handlers. So like this handle click function. So the active button is determined based on the current position stored in the components states. So the hover button, uh, the hover button is mainly i- is rendered with mainly styling and event handlers on mouse hover and on mouse outs events. So this event and triggers the handle mouse enter and handle mouse leave functions respectively. So the tooltip component is conditionally rendered based on the hovering states. So when the hovering here is true, the tooltip component is displayed and it receives the current position from the state and the text to be shown. So finally we have a at the end we have a div element uh, that displays our the copyright notice. So now let's see the project in action by clicking. Where is it? So I have hosted my website using Netlify. So this is my live website, you can see. So so by clicking the position buttons, you can choose the desired positions for the tooltip. So when you hover over, so in suppose I am clicking the top position, and when you hover over, the message is showing in the top position. So if similarly in the left position, it will show in the left. Similarly in right, right, and in the bottom. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.